In the question number 41, three different thermodynamic processes are indicated in the following diagram. So first I would like to go the column second. Isothermal means temperature constant. Isochoric process means volume constant. And isothermal process constant temperature, adiabatic there is no exchange of heat, and isobaric. Now if I go for process number 1, then you will see A is matched with the Q, because in the process number 1 pressure is constant. Pressure constant means isobaric. And if I go for process number 2 isochoric, because volume is constant in this process. PT graph, straight line is there, so you can observe. So I can say B is matched with the S. And another one, C, process number 3. Temperature is constant, you can observe. So this match with P. So by this I can say A with Q, B with S, C with P. Option number 2 will be the right choice. So let's move on. Question number 42. In the question number 42, an ideal gas expanded adiabatically, then in the adiabatic process there is no exchange of heat, you know very well. So if I use the first law of thermodynamics, change in internal energy and work done. So there is no exchange of heat, so I can write delta U is equal to minus W. But there is very important thing. Question is says expanded adiabatically. Expanded means work done by the gas on the piston. So it will be positive. It means work done positive. So final observation is delta U will be negative. This one. And if delta U means change in internal energy is negative, and that is depends upon only temperature in the case of ideal gas. So we can observe temperature of the gas will decrease. That is why I am going to select my option number 2. Temperature of the gas will decrease. So option number 2 will be the right choice. And now I am going to take question number 43. In the question number 43, a heat engine work between source and sink temperature 150 up to 30 respectively. The efficiency of heat engine may be. Efficiency of heat engine is given by 1 minus lower temperature to the higher temperature. Lower means sink, higher means source. So now you can place the value 1 minus. Lower temperature means you can add 273 with 30. So you will find 303, and higher when you will add 273 in 150 will get 423. So on solving approximately you will get 0.284, but in terms of percentage you can write 28.4%. So I can say this is the maximum possible efficiency. So 35% no, this is not possible. 38 and 48 are not possible. So I am going to select this one. Option number 2 will be the right choice. So now I am going to take question number 44. In the question number 44, an ideal gas 300 Kelvin is expanded again isothermally. So double its volume, then pressure of the gas will be. So you can solve this question by using Boyle's law easily, because PV is equal to constant. So P1V1, that is P2V2. You can write like that. So initial, suppose P0 V0, and finally P into 2 times of V0. So P is equal to P0 by 2. So I can say my option number 2 will be the right choice, means half. So let us move on. Question number 45. In the question number 45, an ideal gas with adiabatic exponent gamma is heated isochorically. If it absorbs Q amount of heat, then fraction of heat absorbed in increasing the internal energy is isochoric. Isochorically process means change in volume will be 0. So this is the main thing of this question. If I use the first law of thermodynamics, delta Q, delta U plus delta W, then if change in volume is 0, you can say work done is 0. So I have delta Q is equal to delta U. So what is the meaning of that? Meaning of that, all heat absorbed will be used in increasing the internal energy of the gas. So by this observation, I can say my option number 3rd will be the right choice, means 1. So thank you, and we will meet again. Thank you.